we're going to be customizing this phone case with my cousin Manha. The theme for today will be a galaxy theme,
and the colors will be purple, blue, sky blue and orange and white.
Okay, so after the colors, we lost the original brush, so we can use this toothbrush, not a problem. And we also need other brushes, so we're going to use this old nail polish and wash it to use this as a brush. Okay, so if any of you guys have any problems with your brush, if you lost it, you can just open an old nail polish and wipe it really good with a tissue, and then you can use it.
So we also need some water for this project.
So you can also take some original leaves from some trees and put it on the paint when it's not dried. So I can show you the way you can put it. So you can also put it on the ends, that is what I'm doing, and you can let it dry. Okay, Manha, you can now take over with the purple.
Okay. First, I'm going to do some stripes.
So right now I'm using another shade of blue, a darker shade, and you guys can use any type of colors you like, and you can also do another theme. Okay, so now I'm doing something a little different with this toothbrush, and I'm going to now take the toothbrush and slightly just mix all the colors together. Okay, Manha, now you can take over.
Okay.
Okay, so right now I'm just going to add a little more of the blue just to make it look a little more. So now I'm finished, and after you're finished you might have these dirty hands, and not a problem because you can wash it out with soap and water. It is very easy.
So we are finished and this is our results.